This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. To remove a windscreen wiper blade, pull the arm fully away from the screen until it locks. Depress the tab on the side of the wiper arm. Disengage the blade from the end of the arm and lift away the blade. Rest the arm against a cloth to prevent it from damaging the windscreen. Lift the arm and slide the new blade into the arm until it clicks. Remove the rag and place the wiper blade back in position against the windscreen. To replace the tailgate wiper blade, remove it by simply disengaging the blade pivot pin from the end of the arm. Rest the arm against a cloth to prevent it from damaging the screen. Fit the new wiper blade by pressing the pivot pin into position.